Edo Governor Godwin Obaseki don yarn say im go carry out holistic healthcare reforms and say im go make sure say dem use telemedicine for primary healthcare centers for the state to make sure say dem give Edo people better healthcare. Oga Obaseki talk this one for the launch of the telemedicine program for Central Clinic for Ukpenu for Esan West local government area of Edo State. Ogbonge people wey show face for the launch now, Edo State First Lady Betsy Obaseki, Commissioner for Health Dr. Samuel Ali, Local Government Chairman for Edo Central Senatorial District, Heads of Local Government Administration, Market Women Association, among others. For his speech, Oga Obaseki talk say the telemedicine program for the state na like dream wey don come true for im government as he remember say na broken healthcare system dem meet when they enter office for 2016. He talk say im government don change the tori for education sector and now also for healthcare system and say the focus na especially the primary healthcare center and say the administration dey focused to build clinics for different communities. He still talk say
about 50 PHCs today. We have internet, we have solar, we make sure it's fenced and safe, there's water, and you have admission space for male and female. We must address this problem of how to pay for health. Government will still continue to put money, but at least we are appealing to those citizens. You also take your own insurance, your health insurance. The way we are doing here now is 50 naira a day only. Comes about 17,800 a year. Anytime, day or night, you just come into the clinic. Nurse, I don't know how my body they do me. Oh yeah, check. Anything going in your chart, you bring. Oh yeah, let me check. So that way we can build a healthier society.
Commissioner for Health Dr. Samuel Ali talks the telemedicine program now to bridge the gap between rural and urban healthcare system as the program they create access to professionals where they provide general and specialized healthcare services. He constantly urge market women and other Edo people to join Edo Health Insurance Scheme so that they fit get access to quality healthcare services.
This telemedicine, we must realize that is a bridge of gap between rural and urban. We started with Edo, now we are in Edo Central. We know that the plan of the governor, I was speaking with him just a few days ago and he said, we are not going to stop here. We must ensure that for every of our facility that have the optic capability, we must also have this telemedicine running.
Presido Esan People's Congress in America, Dr. Joseph Abuime, and other ogbonge person come say the governor don't make the dream of Esan people come true with the provision of telemedicine for Esan West local government area. Dem talk say
the first of its kind in Esan land. We are hoping with your support and with your prayers for us to extend as far as we can, as far as our resources can go, to other primary healthcare center.
Gone are the days where primary healthcare is seen as healthcare for the poor. What primary healthcare actually means now is, for us in Edo State, it is care for everyone and meeting our foundational needs.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We need to take blame. From Edo Central, Ekata Ojeseli, TMC TV News.